It is a great satisfaction to greet you and I hope you find yourself well. In today's video we will talk about the following. Is it difficult to get back with your ex if you still feel love? Surely you know someone who is madly in love with their ex but does not dare to do anything to get back. How can you explain to a person that you have very strong feelings, that you cannot imagine your future without your ex-partner not doing something to rebuild your relationship? It is true that at first getting back together with your ex may seem difficult, but there is a factor that will make you change your mind. If it wasn't possible, I would have given up hope and stopped doing this job. Is it difficult to get back with your ex? Insurance. It requires time, patience, and knowing the most efficient techniques to seduce your ex again, but it's worth it if it's someone you love. In this video you will realize that you are more than capable of getting back together with your ex and relieve beautiful feelings for you. 1. It's hard to get back with your ex if you don't control your emotions. You are probably afraid of going through the same heartache again, and more than that, the thought of facing your ex is terrifying. It is logical that the idea of being in contact with a person who left you did not reassure you, but a phenomenon that we see very frequently after a separation is when a person considers himself inferior to her ex and loses confidence. You put your ex on a pedestal and feel like he is better than you. The fact that your ex has made the decision to leave does not mean that you are worthless. You should know that he or she is not happy about leaving you. Your ex is also going through a difficult period. Separating from someone is never easy, whether you have made the decision or not. When you're working on getting back together with someone, it's important to be able to control your emotions. You don't want to let this get you down, but it's also important so that you don't make mistakes when you win back your ex's heart. 2. Tips to rebuild a relationship. Confidence in yourself is key in your post-breakup rebuild, not only for yourself, but also for attracting your ex. Do not hesitate to duplicate the activities that can help you reinforce this confidence, such as the following. Exercise to get back in shape. Physical activity is necessary, and you shouldn't wait for a break to start doing something. You'll start to feel better because nothing makes you feel stronger and more confident than a good workout. On top of that, you're going to achieve your goals and show yourself that you can do it. You are able to be with the person you love again. And finally, exercise improves your physique, something that your ex will surely notice. The attraction he feels for you will be multiplied by 10. Self-motivation phrases that you should repeat yourself. You think about your ex every morning, you look at his bedside and feel a deep sense of longing. You look at your phone hoping you've received a message overnight. Unfortunately, once again there is nothing there. However, instead of going through the same thing every day, you can do something that will make you feel much better. Every day in front of your mirror, you can repeat self-motivation phrases. Forget your ex, the breakup, and your sadness. Your words will start your day off right, and feel free to repeat them throughout the day if you are feeling lethargic and sad. 3. Is it difficult to get back together with your ex if you already broke up? Getting back together with your ex isn't just about self-confidence, it is also about knowing how to correctly use direct and indirect actions and how to switch between the two. Silence will not only help you work on rebuilding your confidence, but it will also help you seduce your ex. In addition to working on yourself and your attitude, you will also need to work on communicating with your ex. It's hard to determine how long it will take to get back together with your ex or how difficult it will be because every situation is different. A breakup as a result of cheating or as a result of a fight are two very different things, and therefore each requires different actions. The techniques used to get back together will be considerably different. However, I insist a lot on self-confidence because it is important in all areas and in any situation related to getting back together with your ex-partner. You should always believe in yourself when you are trying to convince someone to come back. The difficulty of this endeavor will be determined by your motivation and your investment. Getting back together is not a piece of cake, but you can make it easy by following my methods. Believe in yourself and know that you can overcome anything. I'm glad to tell you that you don't have to wander in the dark, hoping to get lucky. Take advantage of our experience and recover the person you love. Click on the description of this video and now access the following personalized guide. Subscribe and comment. A pleasure and thank you.